Hello, my name is Maria Alejandra Moreno Fernandez. Welcome everybody to my blog. My blog's topic is species in verge of extinction. Actually, the humans are having many environmental problematics that affect the natural balance of our planet and the survival of many species. The human activities have generated pollution and destruction of the ecosystems. It means that many aquatic, terrestrial, and aerial animals are disappearing gradually. The extinction of animals is caused for the industrial activities have provoked the disappearance and destruction of different habitats. Hunting and the inadequate exploitation to elaborate products and human consumption. The climate change, which is produced for global warming. This problematic is serious because if an animal extinguishes, the food chain breaks and many other species will be threatened. For example, if the predators disappear, the herbivores will increase their population and a few times the food will exhaust. And if the herbivores extinguish, the predators will die without food. For this reason, it is important that the humans care, conserve, and safeguard the animals' habitat. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I hope you like it.